Let us teach Fusion to move using the Python equivalence of a Blocky programming language. If we want to look at the Python equivalent to our Blocky programs, the first thing we have to do is to log in. We'll log in with a username of user1. You use whatever name and password is appropriate for your case. We'll click login. We'll get rid of our password manager and launch Blocky. Now, there are a few things we want to change in Blocky. Down the bottom we've got program output. We won't need that. We'll get rid of that so we've got a bit more room to show the Python and Blocky programs. That's gone now. We've also only looking at the basic. This is the advanced command. We'll show the basic, and we've lost the intermediate commands, and we've only got the simple basic commands. Now, when we start up Fusion, you'll notice on the left we've got the Blocky command, but on the right we've got some commands we haven't seen so far. Import Fusion, that means all the routines which allow Python to talk to our Fusion robot. And we've got F equals Fusion driver. F represents the Fusion drivers which allow Python to talk to our Fusion robot. Now, that will need to be at the head of every one of our Python programs that control Fusion. Let's move down just one command, one Blocky command, and you'll notice on the right hand side here we've got import time. We've set a speed equal to 60. We've got F Fusion motor speed, Fusion motor 0, Fusion motor 1 to speed 60. That command does. Then next it'll keep going at speed 60 for time of approximately 1 second. And the processor goes to sleep and does nothing for 1 second. So it'll keep on going at speed 60 for 1 second. And then Fusion motor 0 and Fusion motor 1 are set to 0. Both motors will be stopped. And that'll be the end of our program. Now we want to run our Blocky program. When we run the Blocky program, what we're actually doing is running a Python program. We didn't know that up till now. The system converts our Blocky program into Python, and it's this Python program which is running. Now, when we run it, in fact, we've got to save the BLK. We're saving a Blocky program. Okay, and we'll call this test 1, which you can see at the bottom of the screen is a very bad choice. We've got a file of that name already. We've got to choose another name. We won't be recording Fusion, we're recording Blocky. So let's try going again. Try test2.blk Blocky program. We record the Blocky program, it was saved successfully, and it ran successfully. That's pleasing. But can we run the Python program by itself without Blocky? Let's try. We'll go across from Blocky. We'll start up the editor for Python. Simple Python programming. Let's launch that. We've already got import Fusion and Fusion driver. Let's type in that program, and to save a bit of time, we'll put the whole thing in like that. And that's the identical program to what we had before, except this time we haven't got the Blocky on the left-hand side. We've only got the Python program, and we can run that by pressing this, and with a bit of luck, it'll tell us to save the program. It's test2 version 1, py for Python program. It'll save that for us. and the program runs. So you can see the Blocky program in fact transfers all its commands into Python. You can run the Python by itself to teach your Fusion robot what to do. And in our next tutorial, we'll look at using more commands than just the forward command. Thank you.